Hi friends, today I'm back with another website uh, where I'm mining Dogecoin. It's one of the very good site and paying quite good. Let me take you to that particular site. Yeah, so this is InMoon, which is paying really good, and as you can see it's running from past 93 days. It's paying regularly. So far I've already withdrawn almost around 64 Dogecoins. So today I'll show you my withdrawal for the Dogecoin. Uh, it, it's a very good site. It give you, after registering it, it allows you to mine it with free hash power. However, it will be good if you purchase a small package. Like I have purchased this package, which costed me around 250 Dogecoin, and this one is really giving me a good payout. So far, you can see I've earned almost $54.84. And the best part is that this site only charge $1 one Dogecoin as the fee. So I will show you my withdrawal today. So I'm withdrawing $54, sorry, 54 Dogecoin, and as you can see, it's only one Dogecoin, which is the charge. I'm clicking on the send. So this will go to my wallet. As you can see, this is my third withdrawal. You can see it's instantly confirmed. So as you can see, $54 I just withdrawn. Date 29 July at 3:18, showing completed, and I've got the transaction ID as well. So in a while I will show you if I'm able to whether it's reflecting in my wallet or not. Meanwhile, I'll show you what are the other features. You have referrals where you can earn 10%. You will get the reward if somebody is signing under you and making a deposit. There is a lot of giveaways as well, which I'll show you. These are all showing the payments transaction, and it also show you how to track it. So a lot of people, as you can see, are getting paid every minute, every second. A very good site, highly trusted on Trustpilot, very high rating. So would suggest it's a good site to make a investment and start earning. uh, and I can also show you the referrals. The referrals give you almost 10% payment once whoever is depositing. As you can see, referral commission is 10 to 20% in fact. So whoever is registering under you and make a deposit, you will get a certain percentage like 10 to 20% of referral commission. Very good site to do this. And there are live payouts going on. As I've shown you, there are live payouts. Then there is check in moon option, so which shows you how things are progressing. And there is giveaways. So how this giveaway works, you have to, they're giving away almost 950,000 Dogecoins. What you have to do is you have to invite your friends to join your Facebook group. If you have any group of more than 20, invite them, and then you share that proof at InMoon Rewards for participation. There is another campaign they were running in between where they were giving away almost 600,000. I'll show it to you. They're giving away, yeah, redeem. So once you click on redeem, yeah, it's the same thing. 650,000 they're giving to all the people who participated and shared. I mean, they made a video and they have shared with them that they are able to earn it. That's it. Let me quickly show you whether let me show you my account now. So the account shows 0, so I have already withdrawn that. Let me see whether I'm able to receive in my account that particular amount. Okay, they have transferred it, so it's taking some confirmation, as your wallet also do some kind of confirmation before updating in your wallet. So as you can see, my first transaction, it says plus 53, confirming the date is as of today, evening 7 p.m. So I am getting my 53 coins. So it's very fast. It takes hardly 5 minutes to receive it in your account. Very good site to invest. I mean, I would suggest everyone to join this. Please don't fail to subscribe to my channel, as I always bring you whatever the new earning cloud mining options available. I keep exploring, and if something I find good, I do share on my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll also share the link for the site, so you can sign up through that, and you can be a part of my group as well. So all the very best. Stay safe, and enjoy cloud mining and cloud mining earning as well. Bye bye.